Namaskar, I am Prakash, astrologer, presenting you weekly forecasts, week commencing 14th of December till 20th of December for 2020. The whole weekly prediction based on Indian Vedic astrology. You can take this prediction according to your moon sign as well as your ascendant, your rising sign, your Lagna Rashi, for all of you. Going to talk about Virgo for this coming week. Virgo. Transit of moon for Virgo in 4th house, 14 December till 17 December. Transit of moon in 4th house. Transit of moon in 4th house. When the moon is transit 4th house, brings some negative results, mostly related to health, happiness, family, life, peace of mind. When the moon is transit 4th house, utmost care is required when it comes to your own health and well-being and the family health and well-being. Moon is transit 4th house. You may have to handle a few problematic situations, sometimes not very comfortable with your tummy or chest or breathing. Decline in health become a cause of concern for you, especially when the moon is transit in 4th house. Moreover, the health of the family member or relative will worry you quite a lot during this particular phase of time. When the moon is transit in 4th house, mentally you feel restless, doubtful of everybody around you. When the moon is transiting in the 4th house. When the moon is transiting in the 4th house, try to keep your grief, fear, agony at bay. Recultivate your self-confidence, particularly this time. Build up your drive, motivate yourself, be more determined. Try to keep your mental equilibrium stable. When the moon is transiting in the 4th house, balance especially this time. Financially, this could be a trying time for you. When the moon is transiting in 4th house, expenses can be sky high due to your wrong indulgence that affect your future and venture and your financial backing. Be careful with your money matters. This is a time period you must take care of your relationship with close people around you. Refrain from any kind of animosity with anybody. Watch out and avoid anything that makes you unstable in your temperament. Refrain from consumption of any kind of intoxication. Refrain from foul behavior, please. When the moon is transiting in the 4th house, do watch yourself carefully. Virgo transit of moon for Virgo in 5th house, 17 December till 19th of December. Transit of moon in 5th house. Moon journey through the 5th house brings some mixed negative results, especially when the moon is slender. You can be very disappointed in all your undertaking. Generally, this particular movement signifies major obstacles. If you're into business, trade, you face a lot of difficulty in closing any profitable deals. If you're planning to go abroad, you may have to go through quite a few obstacles, challenges before you get the green signal for your trip. This particular period where the moon is transiting in the 5th house makes you mentally very upset due to non-fulfillment of your desires in any of your undertaking. When the moon is transiting in the 5th house, you're likely to entertain yourself very hard, and you keep on comparing yourself with your friends. You'll be embarrassed with yourself. You'll be disgusted at yourself. Your friends get more recognition than you, and you can be a little bit jealous and sometimes you can't acknowledge, you can't digest the reality. Financially, when the moon is transiting in the 5th house, this could also be a trying time for you and very tough time. You have to control your finances, where to spend, how to spend, where you not to spend. You may lose some money and are going through a lot of financial losses in your ventures. Health needs more attention than usual. Problem of stomach and airborne disease may make you feel more sick. Look after your health. A feeling of dejection may also make you slack. Take care of yourself and respect your reputation in society or in your workplace. And make sure you shouldn't be part of any scandal. Justify your action before you operate anything under your wing. Please be careful. Look after your well-being. Stop blaming people. Start taking responsibility. And more you take over the responsibility, more you acknowledge for your realities. What is not right for you, what is not good for you, you have a full given chance to rectify the situation as soon as possible. That's the best you can do. Blaming people will not take you anywhere. Blaming will not give you any success. No. Transit of moon for Virgo in 6th house, 19th of December till 21st of December. Moon transit in 6th house. When the moon is transiting in the 6th house, this particular journey, when the moon is transiting in 6th house, this indicates financial gain. When the moon is transiting in 6th house, you can go ahead and grab the object of your desire. You could be highly successful. When the moon transits in 6th house, This particular period brings you share of name, fame, recognition in society. There will be rise in name, fame, and establishment. You will also be able to gain over your enemies and make a lot of new friends, especially with companion. When the moon is transiting 6th house, health would remain good. You would enjoy comfort of a disease-free body, hassle-free time, hassle-free life. Generally, this particular period would see you in a very happy mood. Virgo, in this coming week, you must sort out your Sun, Mercury, Venus, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Ketu for the prevention of any kind of professional losses, financial losses, lack of flow of income, lack of professional backing, lack of happiness, harmony. With the help of task, precaution, chanting, you got to sort out your plan for the best. If you want to achieve complete weekly horoscope report, and do visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the full weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Virgo weekly conclusion. In this coming week, your past efforts will be rewarded. You're involved in a new project, new ventures, new ideas. You'll come across professional major obstacles, delays, but your income resources will be there. There will be rise in status, prestige, and honor. Beware of any family relationship, arguments, or conflict. Refrain from any foul temper, behavior. Sometimes peace of mind, mental contentment won't be there. You have to deal with secret rivals. You go through few professional and personal challenges and opportunities at the same time. You'll have to work hard for your gain, success, and prosperity. Your efforts will be rewarded. You'll achieve your rewards and objectives. There will be few domestic challenges and complications which can cause major concern for you. You have a few different opinions which needs to be resolved for the best. By the weekend, you must look after your health regarding stress level, eyesight issues, and well-being. Your expenditure can be sky high. Don't waste your time in fruitless activities. Beware of enemies. Virgo task of the week. Donate rice, whole meal atta, whole moong dal, haldi powder, sugar to temper and the langar. Bury 50 gram black salt in the cultivated land on Saturday. Feed 9 kilogram barley to birds in the park. Do wear a Buddha Jitta Yantra and a silver chain around your neck. Precaution of the week. Refrain from living arguments and conflict. Refrain from any issue regarding word or speech. Refrain from any consumption of alcohol and smoking. Refrain from not vegetarian food. Chanting of the week. Om Harim Gam Somai Ganpate Varvarde Sarvjaname Vashmanai Swaha. Om Harim Gam Somai Ganpate Varvarde Sarvjaname Vashmanai Swaha. More you do it, more you achieve it. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decisions and choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complications and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website prakashastrologer.com because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.